Hello friends, now to solve this expression we must follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for of multiplication, or you can solve square root, cube roots and exponents also. For division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So solving this expression we follow this sequence of BODMAS. Now we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So step 1, solve the innermost round brackets. As you can see here the round brackets. So first we'll take 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Now expression becomes 24 divided by 4 of 2 plus square bracket 18 divided by curly bracket 9 minus 6. Now according to this step 1, BODMAS always start with the innermost bracket first to simplify the core of the problem. Now step 2, solve the curly brackets. As you can see here, now we solve curly brackets 9 minus 6 and after we'll get 3. Now expression becomes 24 divided by 4 of 2 plus square bracket 18 divided by 3. Now, according to this step 2, after clearing the round brackets, we move outwards to the next set of brackets, curly braces. Now, step 3, solve the square brackets. So, now we square 18 divided by 3 and after we'll get 6. Now, the expression becomes 24 divided by 4 of 2 plus 6. According to step 3, the B stands for brackets, part of the rule, leaving us with a linear equation. Now step 4, solve equals to 4 multiply 2 and it becomes 8. Expression becomes 24 divided by 8 plus 6. So according to this step 4 in BODMAS, O stands for of, represents multiplication that must be performed before division or a standard multiplication. Now step 5, division. We divide the values 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. Now expression becomes 3 plus 6. So after this complete the step 5, D stands for division take priority over addition. Now the step 6, final add the values. After adding the values, we'll get 9 and this is the final value. By systematically applying this BODMAS rule, we ensure the expression is solved in the correct mathematical hierarchy. Skipping the order, for example dividing 24 divided by 4 before solving of operation would lead to an incorrect result. So according to this expression, the final value of the expression is 9. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.